Hey guys, welcome back to another video of a project, and today's project is going to be a little bit longer than the last project that I made. The last project that I made was the project for where we generated the random sentences. If you haven't checked it out yet, please check it out. And yeah, so let's get started. So, tic-tac-toe is you can basically call it a strategy based game. It's a board game. You can play it online here and there. You can play it literally anywhere. All you need is a board and two people. Or if you're bored enough, you just play by yourself. But you'll probably most of the time end up drawing if you actually try playing against yourself. But yeah, so to get started with making tic-tac-toe, we need to make the iconic little board that you play on. So first of all, we can make a function called print board. Now it will do exactly as it sounds. It will print our board. So for row in board. Now this is for every row in the board. We're gonna print. Let me see here. Where is the straight line that goes downwards? Hold on. There. And there we go. Now for that. And then we're just gonna do dot join row. Now this will join with the row, and what we can do here is we can just do print. Then why is it predicting? How do I turn this off? I'm actually gonna turn this off because I don't like it. Disable, because it's cool and all, but like it just for me it takes away the fun. I mean, if I'm making very long projects or something like that, I guess I could use the help of AI here and there, but it doesn't help the most if you're making very specific things, like very specific things, like something you just creatively thought about. And yeah, so here we're making a new function called define, which is def check winner. Now check winner is a function that will check who is the winner. Now and what is going on? So yeah, there we go. And what we can do is for row in board, we can go if all cell is equals to is equals to player for cell in row, and we can go ahead and return true. I'll explain all of this in a bit. Just gonna make this because it takes some time. So the next line will break the for, not the if. If you don't put it up there, put it in the middle here. So not down, but it should break the for line. Okay. So for COL, which is columns in range, in range 3. Now there are 3 columns in a tic-tac-toe board, as everyone knows. So if all row, square brackets, column is equals to player for row in board. It sounds like broken English. I mean, it kind of is, but you get the hang of it. Now again, break the for, and if all. Now what this will do is this is checking diagonals. So what we're doing here, this is where we're checking if there's a winner in row, if there's a winner in column, or if there's a winner in diagonal, which we're gonna do here. Now diagonal gets a little bit complicated, so just bear with me. I and is equals to player for I in okay I in range 3 for all board I 2 minus 1 is equals to player for I in range 3. Then I go back. Now what we want to do now is we want to go ahead and do, oh my god, wait, what, no, yeah, current player, wait, no, sorry, I'm confusing myself. What we have to do is we have to find these, so wait, okay, yeah, return false actually. Wait, this, okay, wait, give me 1 second. Return true, and from here we're gonna go, what, hold on, there, return false. Now if none of these match, it will go down to return false, and that will be the only statement left, and that will then say that will then the function won't work, which means that there is no winner. Now is board full is another function that will check for if the board is full. Now board, get the board there, oh my god, return all, and then all, and now we're gonna return, the cells not is equals to, hold on there, actually no, don't have to tap the space. If it's not, it's equals to that for cell in row, for row in board. Now that's done. So here is where we're going to check if the board is full. Now we're checking every cell in every row on the board. Okay. Now define play the game. There we go. The board, now I have to actually create the board. We have been not moving off of much here. Keep making those squiggly brackets, kind of annoying now. Space for underscore in range 3. Then outside here for underscore in range. Wait, no, what am I doing? In range, and then 3. We go ahead and do current player X. And do current player X. Now while true, print board row integer. Now we're taking the input here, so input, wait, I'll just clear current player enter row 0 2 column input player current player enter column 0 2. I'm just gonna make some space there for typing, and let's move on. So for the next part, we're gonna go ahead and go if 0 less than. Ooh, why is it black? Okay, but code is unreachable. Are you from, my guy? Oh, invalid. No, it is reachable. What is it? Bro, I have no idea. It makes me scared for no reason. 3 and 0. 3 and word. Like the row and the columns, so row col is equals to nothing, absolutely nothing else. Board row col is equals to current player. Now if check winner board and then the current player. Oh, not that. Print board, and we just set that we can print the board as board and print the name of the player just one. So current player current player wins, and then we just break. If is board full, check by the board, print board print it's a tie, or if it's a draw, and then we also break. Current player is equals to 0 if current player is equals to x, else x. This is saying what the current player is. Else then print invalid move. Sorry again. Now we're just gonna run this. So if name underscore is equals to underscore main underscore the game. So there we go. Now, okay, break is outside loop. Seems like I have a problem here. Right, line to line. That shouldn't be a problem. Now this is a problem here. What happened was that it was breaking it. There we go. There we go. But oh, I gotta move this forward. But what? But how is that possible? Debug. Hello. This should take, you know, sneaky little. There we go. This should else block play the game for alright, because it is part of the while true block, and the while loop has a break statement for both the winning and draw conditions. Yeah. Oh. statement since to fix it with the else block. So basically what I was doing is I was having it down here, so what I can do is I can check this up here. Oh crap. There we go. Fix. Now you can check if the current player is this or that right there. Okay. Okay. Player 0, enter. Okay. What happens if I do 3 and 1? Another move turn again. Okay. 1, 2. We already did 1 and 2. We'll see. 2 and 2. So 0 and 0. Oh, I see how it works. I was getting kind of confused because I did use 0 to 2 because it was counting 3. Oh yeah, but that's how it works though. Oh my goodness, what? I made this. What am I doing? What am I saying? Okay, let me try and win this. So 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Okay, so this is row 1. So row 1. 2. Okay, wait, row 1, 1. Now does that. Now I want to get there. So for player X, I'm gonna go row 0 and column 1. And then for player 0, I'm gonna go row 1 and 0, column 0. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna 0 and 2. You just won. Okay, wait. 2, 1. Yeah, okay, so once this other person has made the move, it says player X wins. So there we have it. A tic-tac-toe game complete. Thank you all for tuning in. See you guys in the next project. Bye.